Hello everyone. So we are in Jalahalli Cross. Decided to go to Hesarghatta Lake, done with the museum, and then we thought time is there, and so we are going there. We got little late. It's showing that 9 kilometer we have. So we are inside this jungle kind of a place, and we are little lost. The GPS has taken us inside this jungle, and we cannot see where the lake is. Tomonas is trying to figure out from the map that how we can make it to the lake. As usual, I feel Kushu is feeling a little scared. চল আমরা যাই চল Yes, go. Don't touch, just like that. Go inside. We have taken the top route on the bridge. Few people are going down, and probably they are taking the down way because they want to get to the water. We are coming here for the first time, so don't know. They are going down so that directly they can go to the water. We have taken the route from the bridge. Don't know which one is better, but we are here for the first time. But till the end, we'll come to know. We came on top, nothing was there, so we are going down again to explore. Got down. That getting down was little difficult. I'm wearing this kind of sandals. This was little difficult. Then, but we came down, and I think better to come down only. Up, nothing is there. There is a walking passage. You can go for walking.
Whole thing is the lake only.
The sun is there. We thought we can see sunset. Let's see. We got samosa and rasgulla from Jalahalli Cross, from Gangama Circle, and we thought we will sit here and eat.
I think it's time to go home.
Yeah, let's go.
Like the place?
Yes. You like the place? And how is the samosa?
Yummy.
We saw the sunset in Hesarghatta Lake, and now it's time to head towards home.
Hi everyone, we are back.
Time is almost 8 o'clock. We are super tired. We covered two things, HMT Museum and Hesarghatta Lake. Kushu is very sleepy, and it was a nice day outing. We started around 1 o'clock, so like almost 6 hours.
And subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button.
But we cannot hear you properly.
subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button.
Yeah, subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell button, please.
Thanks for staying with us. Till we meet again, stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll be back with a new